This is the Fab Love reading for Fire Signs with Tarot with Donna. Let's see what Fab has storing for the love life. Oh my gosh, Fire Signs. Fab is about to turn up the heat in your love life. I can already feel the passion in the air, and trust me, something exciting is definitely brewing because before shuffling the cards, the energy and the vibes that I was getting, they were so beautiful and heavy that I really picked up some major love energy around you this month before shuffling even. So, whether you are in a relationship or waiting for that spark to ignite, get ready for some fire in the best possible way because, yeah, the energy is so strong. And let's dive in and see what the cards are telling us. It's going to be an amazing Feb. Okay. The first, we have the Emperor. Okay, fire signs. Wow. Talk about a card of strength, stability, and big moves. The Emperor is here, and I'm sensing that someone in your life is about to take charge and make a very bold, committed move towards you. In the past, if there was somebody who was not that committed, but this Feb, you are going to connect with somebody like who is very bold and who is very committed. I'm getting the sense that this person is incredibly confident, assertive, and knows what they want. Okay. If you're in a relationship already, get ready for them to level things up. They might be planning something big for Valentine's Day or soon after a commitment proposal or a deeper connection. Take how it's resonate with your situation because it is a general reading. For those of you who are single, this is someone who is sure of themselves, okay? They know what they want. So you will know them by their commanding presence. And I feel like they could be coming into your life soon. Someone who knows how to lead but is also very protective and loving in their own way. Second, we have the Two of Wands. So, Two of Wands talks about the expansion and the choices, okay? And I can see an energy of collaboration. This is someone who might work with you or have mutual connections. I'm sensing that for some of you, this person could actually be someone you meet through work. Maybe you share a project or you both attend the same company event or conference. There's a feeling of building something together, and seeing some real sparks fly between the two of you. For others, this might be someone you meet through mutual friends or maybe a party or social event. I'm seeing a lot of fun, flirty vibes in these connections are already there. There's something exciting about how you meet. It's almost like you are thrown into a situation where you just click instantly. That kind of connection you have. Okay. The third, we have the Lovers card. Oh, yes. Lovers is making its appearance, and I'm telling you, fire signs, that this is a soulmate energy. Whether it's someone you already know or a new person entering your life, there's a magnetic connection that you just can't deny. You know, for some of you, you already can know the person whom I'm talking about. Okay, depending upon your situation, definitely, and you also have started thinking about that person, and the other person have also started thinking about you. So that kind of chemistry you have, okay, and it's all natural. It's all real that you feel within your heart. I'm also picking up that this could turn into something really serious if it has not already. And there's no playing around here. This is a heartfelt, deep, and true love. I mean, both the parties are going to, commit to each other. That kind of energy I'm sensing here. Okay, so who is going to propose you fire signs? Let me see that. So I'm picking up a couple of possible scenarios for you, fire signs. If it's someone already in your life, they are definitely someone who is strong, determined, and knows how to make decisions. Okay, like they have a great decision making skills. They might be a leader in their career or simply have that kind of personality that draws people in. They're likely someone who is outgoing, assertive, and has a big heart for those they love. Okay, a family kind of person. For sure, this person could be thinking about proposing to you. Their approach might not be flashy one, but it will definitely be meaningful and done with great confidence. Okay. This proposal might come in the form of a grand gesture, think something memorable, maybe even a proposal at a work event or something intimate yet bold. I can feel that they might also plan something related to travel. Okay. A special gateway or experience that reflects the connection between you two. Or, a place where you both have previously visited, and there they may propose you again. Okay. So, something along those lines I am seeing. and how they are going to propose you. So if I say about that, oh, I'm sensing something extra special here, fire signs. Okay. This person is likely to propose you in a way that is adventurous and outgoing because this person himself is very outgoing and assertive. I'm thinking unexpected locations, perhaps at an exciting event like a conference or a party where you both share a professional connection, or even during a spontaneous trip. They could surprise you with a gift that is meaningful, something that ties into your shared interest. It could even be a customized jewelry, something that symbolizes your relationship. Okay. They may choose to propose during a memorable event, a memorable moment, during a high energy event where you are both having fun and enjoying the life. Okay. For some of you, it's more personal, something like a family gathering where they have already won over your loved ones, okay, or at a romantic dinner under the stars, whatever it is. But let me tell you, fire signs, they are planning something big that will feel as bold and memorable as your connection. What about the gifts and the outfits? Do you want to know? So, if you're wondering what they might be wearing when they propose, oh, I'm picking up that they will dress the part, expect something stylish and sharp. For men, maybe a tailored suit or a well fitted blazer, giving off a strong and polished vibe. For women, I'm sensing something elegant yet bold, like a beautiful dress that matches the occasion, something that shows off their confidence and personality. As for the gifts, if it's a proposal, I'm seeing something personalized and the thoughtful one. Maybe an engraving on a piece of jewelry or small trinket that holds a lot of meaning for both of you. Okay, think of something that shows they have been listening to your dreams and desires all along. Okay, so what's the vibe, fire signs? Love is absolutely on fire for you this Feb. Whether you are already in a relationship or meeting someone new, the chemistry is undeniable. Undeniable, sorry. There's real commitment in the air, and if you have been hoping for that special proposal or moment of deep connection, it's happening. I can sense a grand, bold gesture coming your way. Get ready for something unforgettable. Sending all my fiery love and blessings for this sizzling month ahead. Lots of love.